Come with me while I set up for the Valentine's open house this weekend at our new listing at 1944 Vista View, Lakeland, Florida, 33813. Okay, so I went to Dollar Store and I got all these cute things, so I'm going to set all this up. I have my MLS sheets, so let's go check them out. And I have my MLS sheets. So this is the home that we're having the open house. Crystal is going to have it. She's on the Willer's Homes team with Sirhan. Look how grand this home is. I'm crazy about the blue door because it's the Ryan Sirhan color, and then I love the color of the house. It's nice and white. This house smells like a brand new home. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the staircase. I love the light fixture here. It just complements the railing. Love this. This is the dining room. This is the formal living room. So let's see where we're going to set up everything. Oh, and I love this bar area. Okay, so I have the MLS sheets here, and then I'll put that near this feature list right here. And then let me show you everything. So I got this. This is so cute. And then I got this, Sweet Valentines. Let me just make sure you can see all this, yeah. So I got Sweet Valentine. I can put that like right here. And then, oh, and I got these little Russell Stover Happy Valentine's candies. Oh shoot, I forgot to get a basket. So these, the buyers could come in and take one of these. So I got a bunch of these for them. So that's going to be cute. And then, oh, I got another one of these. This can stand up, so I'll put this right there. And then check this out. This is a heart candy dish, and I got these chocolates that I'm going to put in. And I think with this, Crystal can take the tag off, and then she could have like a wrap, not a raffle, but put your name in the hat, and if you're the winner, you get this or something like that. I don't know. And so I'll put that there. And then here's some more candy. And then I put these chocolates in the bowl. Cute, cute, cute. And then you can just put them like all over the counter to make it festive. Like that. So if you're interested in a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in South Lakeland, 33813, come to this open house. This looks so cute. So if you're looking for a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in South Lakeland, 33813, contact Elizabeth Willers or Crystal Goff at Sirhan. And don't forget to come to the open house this Saturday on Valentine's Day from noon to 2. And then this is the finished product. The finished setup. How cute is that for Valentine's Day?